Hello guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing. Today with a female character. This drawing is made for the wife of John Roberson, who ordered this Viking Saiyan drawing a few weeks ago. So he wanted his son and his wife drawn as Saiyans also. Alright guys, hit like, subscribe, and then we can enjoy the drawing process together. Let's go.
Get my way, mad I might have another bad day. Some days I pray, I sometimes lose my faith, lose my way, lose my faith. Going through another mistake. They tell me to pay attention, please Ray. Listen to this wisdom every day, this feels the same. Yeah, are you getting this? Yeah, going through the same cycle of pain. Yeah, I don't even read the Bible enough, that book enough. Lust keeps me entertained. Yeah, today I don't trust real love. Why do I love ones that close me out? Now I'm chasing liquor or clout. I want real love, no doubt. Yeah, me driving 6 speed. I think I need to slow it down, slow it down. I believe in God, but I don't know what to do now. Me running in circles, feels like deja vu. I'm lost in the moment, paranoid of life, confused. I need to be found. God, I need you now. I need you now. I need you to take control of me, yeah, controlling my life. I've always been the outcast, always been the black sheep. I'm 6 feet apart, yeah, I'm stuck somewhere in between. Loving you to lusting what's underneath, yeah. I've been in the stool, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I've been in the stew making moves on the come up. Where was you to focus on the dream? If you don't get it now, you snooze, you lose. Life today isn't what it seems. I need something new to do. Too caught up in the funds. I need more love, not lust. Swipe and swipe like we looking for a hookup. I need more love, not lust. I just don't know which road to go, which path to choose.
Just to call you mine, just to call you mine. Diamonds on a string, just cost pennies, but they'd be fun and all I need. You try to win me over with everything money can buy, but ironically I would play for keeps without just to call you
Sometimes I think I overthink, and I start to feel anxiety. There were times I couldn't even breathe, but you never once have been in me. I tried to scare you away, showed you the door, you adored me anyway. When I was broken in pieces, you were my peace of mind. You were my peace of mind. Yeah, you love me when I was unstable. Never judged me when I was unable to love myself. So trust myself. Yeah, you love me when I was unstable. White knuckle shut all my sanity. Not every phone is a kind of please. And I know where my mind's gonna turn on me. But you're the one I call for security. These memories have been toxic. I tried to.
So guys, there we have a female Super Saiyan God. I'm not drawing female characters often, therefore I think this one turned out pretty good. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, now we have John with his wife and son as badass Super Saiyans, and all of them in different forms. I really appreciate the orders, John. That's a huge support, so thank you. So guys, if you also want me to draw you as a Super Saiyan, make sure to contact me on Instagram or email me at arttolg@gmail.com so we can talk about your drawing. And I'm back with the real-time drawing channel, guys, so make sure to check that out as well if you want to follow my steps the easiest way. All the links down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.